Hey, Troy here, and in this short video, I am going to be sharing with you one of the reasons why I am so excited about using Cardly, giving away something completely free on the front end that has tremendous value, and promoting my business opportunity or programs on the back end. I want to share with you some proof of results, and then I'm going to spend a quick minute just talking to you about the power of Cardly and how you can create your very own free account literally within just 1 minute. So this payment came in today. As you could see right over here, my name, Troy Minor Services. And this was a direct instant payment that came in for $500. You could see the date, you could see the time. Now just think about this for a second. What if all you did was you made $500 a day and you did that 10 times a month? That's $5,000. And all that you did was you gave away something free that anyone in a work from home business opportunity could use for themselves that would promote their opportunities on the back end also. So this absolutely does work. I wanted to share with you what is possible and how this is possible without buying traffic, without buying leads, without doing any kind of cost per click campaigns or Facebook ads. This is free traffic, free leads, and being able to get daily signups. So if you do not know what Cardly is, it is a brand new system that allows you to create a free digital business card, and by using just one link, you have the ability to add your business opportunities, whatever marketing strategies it is that you use. You can add a video to introduce yourself and to warm people up to learning more about you, what it is that you have to offer, how you can help them. And then you have the ability to include your contact information. So for instance, from my Cardly, I have a quick 2.5-minute start here video. I'm sharing a business opportunity here, which I also mentioned in this introductory video. I've got AI tools for business. I've got a way for people to generate free USA leads. And then I have my contact information in here. So if someone wants to reach out to me on Zoom, if they want to reach out to me on social media, if they want to send me an email, if they want to send me a text or call me, I have this in here. And what Cardly is really doing is it's building up your credibility. It's building rapport. It's helping you to create a relationship with the individual that lands on your Cardly page. I can't stress that enough. So look, if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. To create your free Cardly, go to my YouTube channel links, look for Cardly, click on that link, and create your free account. If you're watching this video as a result of an email that you got, go back to that email, scroll to the bottom, click on the link. It'll take you to my Cardly, create your free account. And should you have any questions or need any help, guess what? Once you get inside the system, you're going to have my contact information here. Once again, I'm Troy. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really looking forward to you having lots of success and helping you in any way that I can. Have an amazing day. Take care.